Hey guys, what is up? Scott from Civic Edge Lifestyle here, and welcome to another update video of Smart Desktop AI. First, before I start this video, I'd just like to say if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit the bell notification, and subscribe. And make sure you share the videos as well. That helps the community out. And when you do so, you're part of the Civic Edge community. I'd like to welcome any new subscribers that we've had. I've been getting a lot of them lately. So welcome to the community. Glad you could join us. And, I'm glad to be able to help everyone on their journeys online and help people bring in an income online. So first I wanted to address some people are getting the wrong impression of these videos that I'm doing that are called update videos. And what I wanted to discuss is that these update videos are not updates on the software per se. I had one client, or not one client, sorry, one viewer yesterday go and say on one, I think it was my latest video, they said, "Oh, the update sucks," and this and that. And I just wanted to kind of address that because I wanted to explain what these update videos are. The software, and I'm going to say this at the start so that everyone gets it right off the bat, and that way those who don't watch the videos all the way through, because that was the problem with this person, is they didn't watch the video all the way through to see what I meant by update. So I'm going to quickly state, first of all, that watch the video through to the end. Okay, hold your comments until you see the full video to know what I'm saying in these videos. Okay, that will clear up any comments that are negative, or you're not looking at it the right way. So what happened was this person said the update sucked, and I'm like, it was not a software update. So they thought when I said update, I meant that it was a software update, and no. Guys, the software is very much so in beta. Okay, we do not have access to the actual software yet. The only ones that have access to the software itself is Smart Desktop AI. They're using the prototype, um, and they're releasing stuff as they go along. Unfortunately, right now they are not releasing stuff to the software because of the fact that they had 100 fake, they had people come in and make hundreds of fake accounts. Okay, so all the tech staff that has been on trying to get this software out of beta for us so that we can use it, they are not in the office right now. They are in helping the commission people. Okay, and the person also was stating like this was a crappy update. Well, guys, I'm going to tell you something. This was not an update. Okay, that's not what I meant by update. When I say update, I'm talking about the updates that I'm getting on Telegram. Okay, these are the updates that I'm getting from Smart Desktop AI, from the main people that are like the middlemen that get the information from Smart Desktop AI. That's where these are coming from. These are the updates I'm talking about. It's the Telegram updates. And if you are not part of the Telegram, these updates are for those who aren't in Smart Desktop AI yet. And when I do these videos, they're also for the people that are in Smart Desktop AI, but they don't know what Telegram is or don't know how to get into it or whatever. So I'm providing the information for you guys. This has nothing to do with updates like the software, because we've already been told, if you guys watched my videos right through, and I mentioned this the last time I did my last video, that in the Telegram thing they said, or maybe I didn't do a video on that yet, but anyway, right now there's not going to be any updating going on the software, because all that staff that works on updating the software, they are now helping with the commissions due to the people that went and created fake accounts and screwed up the whole system for everyone. So if we're going to be mad at anyone, be mad at those people, guys. Okay? Don't be mad at me. Don't be mad at the middlemen. Don't be mad at Smart Desktop AI. None of this is anyone's fault except for the people that came in, made hundreds of fake accounts when it was free, and screwed up the whole system for everyone. Okay? I'm still pretty mad about those people because they couldn't come in and do what I did and get 100, people on their own. They had to go create hundreds of fake accounts under their initial main account just to try and get money, and that's sad. Okay, that is despicable. And I mean, I got 100 signups from doing what I do. So anyway, so today's update, I got a couple of them here, and it's because I sent these to my email list yesterday. I didn't get a chance to do a video. Simply because I was quite busy. I've been still trying to recover from all this smart desktop AI stuff. I've been trying to recover from. I had to drop some of my campaigns for a couple of days to try and promote this, and I ended up going back and catching up my campaigns and stuff. So it's been really busy, and I'm kind of really busy right now, guys. So bear with me, But anyway, I don't remember if I did anything. I'll get into this. This is the first update, and I don't remember if I did a video yet this week on Smart Desktop AI. I don't think I did. So let me just quickly go through this, and then we'll go from there. So this is the commissions update. I know that I've been sending emails out, and if you guys would like, I will have a link down in the description and the comments for you guys to join my list where if you're not part of Smart Desktop AI, it's recommended that you join that list because I'll have updates. And as soon as they open up the affiliate program again, I will give you guys information like, it's open, go kind of thing. And I'll give you the link. But I also send these Telegram updates out in my email list. So that link will be down in the description if you guys are interested. Just thought I would throw that out there because I do give these to my email list as soon as they come out. Sometimes I'm not able to do a video because if it's like 5 o'clock at night, I send this email quickly and then I don't do a video because it's 5 o'clock at night and I have business hours. So, 5 o'clock, I like to be done with my business and I like to be, out of my office at my place here and cooking dinner for when my wife walks through the door. So, anyway. So the update on, I believe this is, I think this was, oh, hold on, it's right here. So this was August 10th. So August 10th, they said, good day, SDAI affiliates. We wanted to provide, I'm just going to go over here for a minute. We wanted to provide a quick update regarding the August commission run. Last night, it became clear that processing the large number of fake accounts and accurately matching verified affiliates with their respective verified affiliates to ensure proper payments could not be completed in time for our entire affiliate population. As with any company, it is our fiduciary. Wow, I've never seen that word before unless they made a mistake. Anyway, responsibility to our investors to ensure accuracy in these payments. Therefore, in order to meet the August 10th deadline today, we made a corporate decision to pay all verified USA affiliates who have verified USA affiliates their commissions, plus the $20 refund. For those who joined at the earlier price point, this refund will amount to $187. The August 10th today commission run will only include Tier 1 commissions. All Tier 2 commissions will be included on the August 17th commission run, discussed next. We will conduct a second commission run on August 17th, covering all international commissions for verified affiliates and their verified affiliates, plus the $20 refund for those who paid additionally. Verified USA affiliates with international verified affiliates will receive their corresponding commissions. Please note that the ACH transfers will be initiated this morning. These payments will go out on Monday, the first business banking day, and should arrive on average 3 business banking days later by Thursday. On Monday, we will provide a message for affiliates who believe that certain verified affiliates may not have been properly accounted for. If verified, these commissions will be included on the August 17th run. Hold on, I just want to make sure I read that right. We will provide a message for affiliates who believe that, certain verified affiliates have not been properly accounted for. Okay. So we are we are also exploring options to provide verification and payment solutions for international affiliates in countries where the WISE payment system is inaccessible. As soon as we have updates, we will share them with our select affiliates to post and circulate in Telegram and school. This is an all hands on deck effort, and until August 17th, our entire team is focused on this crucial task. So right there, they say, guys, this is an all hands on deck effort, and until August 17th, and their entire team is focused on the crucial task. So do not expect anything to do with the software, because they don't have the staff working on the software right now. They have all the staff working on these commissions because of these fake affiliates that came in, or not fake affiliates, but these people that came in and made a bunch of fake accounts just so they could make money instead of going out and promoting like the rest of us did. Okay. So we appreciate your patience as we navigate these uncharted waters. Okay. This is something else. This up here wasn't really worth reading. So this is just about, again, the admins in this group are not tech support. So that's not really, this is coming straight from the middlemen. Like I said, these guys, Bradley is one of the guys. He's kind of like one of the middlemen. He gets the information from Smart Desktop AI as it comes in. So this is the second one, and I guess I didn't get a. This was August 12th. So this was 2 days ago, and this was good day SDAI affiliates. Hope your weekend was nice. We are running hard to finish the July commission run. So this is another thing, guys, is that this is the July commission run. This is not, August will not be paid out till September, just so you guys are aware. And wanted to provide you with the current updates. USA updates, Tier 1, we are looking to true up any missing commissions from the August 10th run on August 17th. All verified USA affiliates. For all verified USA affiliates. If you have affiliates who were verified that did not show up in your genealogy, please let us know by emailing the following to us: your name and affiliate ID, your affiliate's name, and email address. Email it to the following email by 5 p.m. Wednesday, August 14th. We'll check for their verification form, make necessary adjustments. Whatever way you captured your leads, that will fall on your responsibility to get their name and email. Please do not message the admin frustrated that you don't know how to find your affiliate's info. And then they give the email. So the second point was Tier 2. We will pay all Tier 2 commissions on August 17th by verifying for Tier 1. This automatically verifies Tier 2. International commissions, WISE accounts. We will be paying commissions for all verified international affiliates with WISE accounts on August 17th. If you have not submitted your WISE account, please do so by Wednesday the 14th at 5 p.m. So today, 5 p.m. Eastern USA time, to be included in the July commission run. Countries without WISE account access, we are working on a solution, and our goal is to let you know what that solution is by the end of the day, Wednesday, August 14th, USA time. It will require KYC. And there is a slight chance that this pay run may occur after August 17th. The goal will be August 23rd. We would like to say thank you again for your patience. This is not an excuse, rather it's a reality. The amount of fake accounts and plain gaming the program versus true intent to want to have an AI service to utilize has been staggering. We have mobilized every single resource we have access to in order to pay every verified affiliate on every verified affiliate. For those who are waiting for the service, this has put us a few weeks behind. We will provide an update once all commissions have been finalized. We apologize for the delay. Thank you. Best regards, Smart Desktop AI. So, right there it even says, like, we can't do anything about the software right now because we are screwed from these people that came in and created fake accounts. So for those of you who are commenting on my videos saying, well, the update sucked and I still can't use the software. Well, guys, you got to watch my videos to understand what I mean by update, and you got to watch my video all the way through. What would actually help you guys is if you join the email list that I was talking about at the start of the video. That email list is for you guys, so you guys can get these updates directly. I send them via email, via a newsletter. I do not send any marketing to that list. That is strictly for Smart Desktop AI. I promised that when I first brought that out last week, and I said I am not marketing anything to that group, on purpose, that is. I did explain that sometimes when I'm setting up emails, I may forget to clear Smart Desktop AI, like that newsletter, out of because the way GetResponse works is I go in and I select what lists, but I usually hit all lists, and then I go down and just kind of select the lists that I don't want to include when I'm doing an email. And sometimes, I may forget to do that. So most times there will not be any marketing emails. If there is the accidental one that comes your way, I apologize. It's not on purpose. If you're interested in whatever it is, then, by all means, sign up, whatever. But I will not do it on purpose. So I do not market anything to that list except for Smart Desktop AI. I only talk about Smart Desktop AI, and I usually send these Telegram updates via email immediately as soon as they come out. So guys, that concludes my update video for today. This was a couple of updates that I received. This one was Monday. The other one was Saturday or Sunday. I can't remember. I did send those out immediately to my email list, but yeah. So guys, like I said, I strongly suggest you join that email list. You'll get the updates right away instead of waiting for me to do a video. I just figured that I would explain some things because I got that one complaint last night where the person's like, oh, this software isn't working and blah, blah, blah. And yet I've explained several times in my videos, you gotta watch the videos right through. It's kind of like, the way I explained it to my wife was, it's kind of like when we were kids. I was saying this to my wife. I'm like, it's like when we were kids and we would be in school, right? And that one person in the class would sit there and hand a report in, and then the teacher would look at them and say, did you even read this book? And the kid would be like, well, yeah. Okay, well, why are the questions all full of nonsense? I hate to say it that way, but that's basically, that one kid in the class that didn't read the book fully and just kind of skimmed through it. And the kid finally admits, I skimmed through it. Well, you didn't read it, though. You didn't really take in all the information. So it's kind of like that with my videos. You gotta watch them through all the way to get the information and get the correct information. Okay, so don't be saying, oh, I know what you're talking about. No, you don't, because you thought that I said update, or that I was talking about an update. Wasn't talking anything about an update. I was talking about the updates from Telegram. That's what I mean by update. It's the updates from Telegram that I get from the middlemen that work with or the middlemen that are in between us and the Smart Desktop AI. That's basically what it is. Okay? Anyway, guys, rant over. You guys have a great day. Actually, no, I do have one more video coming out today. But for now, I will let you guys go. You guys have a great day, and cheers.